Hello, I'm sorry it took this long. I wanted to make a video to show you how to set up your selective postings, but it took me all week to figure that out. So first I want to tell you why we're doing it. Here is a picture of the parent calendar and what it looks like. Our goal is for the parents to be able to go to one spot to see all their selective classes. So if this is a parent, they can look right there at the different classes that their student has taken that day. Not only can they see them, but if they click on them, the whole post comes up right here. So this is an example. A parent can be on their calendar, click on that, and this post comes up. Now they may need to scroll down to see it all, and this one looks like they may have an attachment that's not seen, in which case they can just click on view the item and it will take them to the actual page and they can see everything that there is to see there. One click. Now you know if they have to go to every child's class every day, if 2 kids, 4 classes in a day, that's going to 2 classes. You got to click on the unit, click on the first day, etc., etc. It's a lot of clicks. Posting it on the calendar in this way will save our parents a lot of clicks. That's why we're doing it. It's kind of confusing, but that's the reason behind it. So how do you make this happen? You go into your course, you click on the little cog rail that means edit, and you hit edit. The first thing you want to do is change the name of your course at the top of the page. Like this is Exploring Literature 7-8. The reason we're doing that is that it then changes, it will show up as Exploring Literature on their calendar and not just the date. Otherwise, dates are the same. Okay, next you're going to come down and where it says due date, you're going to enter the date that you taught. Now, I know it says due date and what the homework isn't due till next week, but we're putting the date you taught because that's when it will show up on the calendar. And the parents are going to go into the calendar and see what they did in class that day and what the homework is for that day. So you're going to actually put the due date for the homework under your homework assignment, but you want the due date in this spot because that is how it will post on the calendar. And then just make sure you hit Save Changes. If you teach all your classes on the same day, that's all you have to do. But if you teach the same course on multiple days, there's another step involved. So for instance, in my Literature 5-6 class, I teach the same thing on both Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to change the name. And for the dates, I'm going to put Tuesday through Thursday. So for me, I'm working ahead because I've worked ahead. It's October 25th through 27th, covers Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So also on every page, you want to go in and take that M out of homework. It's misspelled on every single page. So that's something fun to try and remember every week. The next thing you want to do is select sections to customize. Hit the select all button and then you come over here and you're going to put an individual date in everything you do. So if it's Tuesday, I was in October and I believe I was in the 11th. I don't remember, and then this is also the 11th. But if I go to my Thursday class, I'm going to make sure that I click on the 13th. And so it will show up on the calendar on the day that I taught those classes. And then just hit Save Changes. So again, if we go back to the parent calendar, the classes are going to show up on the days they're being taught. My kids come home from school. That's a Wednesday. They were in there on Tuesday. I'm going back to Tuesday classes to see what they did in class today. I just click on it. If I want to see it larger, I view the item. I can see what they did in class and what the homework is. The due dates do show up at the top of the screen, but you just need to help your parents understand that the actual due date of the assignment will be below. I know this is kind of long and I hope it makes sense. I would love it if you would add me to your members and then click on the little cogwheel next to my name and make me an admin. And I can check yours and see if you need any help. I can help you remotely from home on helping you set up this. Our goal is just to be consistent so that parents, again, can see students' courses in the calendar, one click away each day. All right. Thank you. And if you have any questions, email me. Let me help you out. Make me a member. I'll help you out. Great. Thanks. Bye.